Good day everyone. I'll show you how to make a table and a class into SQL Server Management Studio 2008 R2 and Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 project form using Visual C# programming language. So here's how to make it. First, open the Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 and a SQL Server Management Studio 2008 R2. So let's plug into the Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. So recently we made a project named sample. So let's open this project. Click into the recent project sample. So samples open. And also we made a sample database with name into sample. So expand. So here's how to make a table in our database. First, click into tables, right click, add new table. So let's input the column names, customer ID, set into integer, customer name, set as variable character, customer address, set into variable character, and the contact. So contact, there's a special character, so let's include the data type into varchar. So let's uncheck the allow nulls. Set customer ID into a primary key. So right click, set primary key. And the column properties, set this identity specification to identity yes. So let's change the value to yes. Then save. So Control S. Name this table as customer. Then let's check the customer table are in our database. So here the customer table. So let's check also into SQL Server Management Studio 2002 if the tables that we made are there. So let's open the SQL Server Management Studio. Then recently we're not connected, so let's connect database engine. So let's connect. Then expand the databases. So let's find the sample database name. So here's sample database name. So expand, check the tables. So here's the customer table. Let's check also if there's the columns. So columns. So here's the columns that we need. So let's back into the Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. So how to connect this table into our project form in our Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. So let's make a class for our table. So go to the Solution Explorer, click sample name project. So right click, add class. So this class set into name our table customer. Click add. So here's the calls. So in class customer, let's include a public statement. So public. So the class customer is set into public. So let's include also the column names into a public. So public. First column name is the customer ID. So public int customer ID. Set the data. Get the data. So also the customer name. So public. So the customer name, we set this customer name into a variable character. So the equivalent of the variable character into a Visual C# is string. So let's set it to string. Public string customer name. Set also the customer address. Set to string customer address. And the contact. Public string contact. Set data and get the data. So let's save, Control S. So let's check there's an error in our program. So click build solution. So build success. So there's no error. So that's how to make a class or a table into SQL Server Management Studio 2008 R2 and Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 project form. So thank you for watching.